In all AEG ovens, especially those with a pyrolytic function, there is built-in overheating protection. The so-called thermal protection, a fuse, is intended to disconnect the connection to the heaters if the temperature exceeds dangerous heating levels. If your oven is working normally, lights up inside and the display is running the programs normally, but is not heating, you probably have a broken overheating protection. In this video I will show you where it is installed, how to check if it is working properly, and how to replace it. Open the rear protective cover. There are several screws. Look carefully for such an element. You can find it by tracing the cable connections. The protection is usually located between the cable connection from the main board and the heater. Before you remove it and replace it with a new one, you can use a simple multimeter to see if it is broken. If you measure the signal, it should provide a connection between the two ends. In this case, the protection has been triggered and has disconnected the connection. Since it is a one-time action, it must be replaced with a new one. If you still want to make sure that the oven will work normally, you can connect the cables directly without the protection and do a quick test. Order a new thermal fuse and replace it. Please do not leave the appliance without one, it could cost you your life. This is a working thermal protection. Replace and close the cover.